Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your Oracle Cloud instance. Let's get into it. First, open your Cloud dashboard. Open your internet browser, go to the Cloud website, and log into your main account page. Look at your main list of devices and click on the specific computer you want to open. You cannot connect to a computer if you do not know its online address. You have to open this control screen so you can see the numbers and codes that belong to your machine. Without this step, your cloud computer would stay locked away and you wouldn't be able to talk to it. Next, copy the public address numbers. You need to find the specific online address numbers that tell your home computer exactly where to find your cloud machine on the internet. Look under the details section of your machine, find the line that says public IP address, and copy those numbers. Highlight the whole string of numbers and dots, right-click, and choose copy so it stays in your computer's memory. Make sure you don't make any typos when you try to call your machine later. It ensures your home connection tool knows exactly where to send the signal across the internet. Next, open your connection tool. Now you need to open a simple connection program on your home computer that lets you send commands to other machines. Go to your app menu, find your black command box tool or a connection helper app, and open it. Type or paste in the command to start a safe connection, followed by your username and the numbers you just copied. This tool acts like a bridge between your home desk and the cloud. By opening this program, you are preparing your home computer to send messages back and forth. Once the computer checks your key and sees it matches, it opens up the doors for your task, then you are fully connected and can control your online computer safely. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.